you go do to this body now?
The guy don't die. He don't die like this, so.
Sam, now this one never die now.
The guy don't leave and come on, guy.
He don't die. Say waiting now. Say we will come live for a year ago.
So what you want to do?
No, carry and go there Aboki back. No, drop her for the back of the shop now.
Don't be only Aboki. Oga, see, man, I just tell you as it be like this. This is my last job. Nothing concern evil again for my life. You hear me? See, let me look my back. In blood, stay me.
In blood, no day your body now.
My body, I don't go. If I don't call it this,
you won't leave me to go.
I will drive this and leave me for here. See this guy. This is how they go.
Follow that side, enter.
Should have left that place sooner. Now my dad is going to complain I'm coming back late.
My leave me, I beg. You know you that was talking to people. You greet this one, you greet that one. That's why I'm coming back.
Beg.
Hell. Hell. Okay, what of that? What's that one now?
Did you hear that?
I did not hear anything. It's late. Let's be going, I beg.
If you listen, it sounds like someone is calling for help.
God. So are we now police? Let them call the police. Besides, look how this place is dark.
Yeah, let's go.
Help. Help. Why you are touching? We need to leave. We need to go.
Leave him here to die?
This boy is already dead now, can't you see?
No, he's breathing.
See, Maiwa, we cannot get into this kind of trouble. Let's just leave him here and go.
Let's take him to the hospital. That's what we should be doing. If we leave him here, he's going to die.
Hi, God. Where do you want to get the money from?
Okay, then maybe we'll take him to my house first and treat him there.
To whose father's house? You think your father will allow us to bring a dead body into his house?
He's not dead!
You are even sharp.
Yeah.
Oh, God. Grab his arms.
We need to call the police.
So please, we can't involve the police. They could not save me then. They can't save me now.
This is what he's been saying the entire time.
And this is too risky. I mean, what if he dies?
I won't die. I won't die.
It's a lie, this boy is dying.
I just need rest and medications.
He'll be fine.
Mayowa, I hope we don't regret this.
You may know, because me, I'm not going to go to jail for anybody.
Nobody is going to jail, okay? He's going to be fine. And look for a bandage.
Officers. Any leads? Any leads? Any leads?
Chief, we are very sorry we've not found your son yet. But our search efforts are ongoing and we are doing everything we can.
Everything you can? My son has been gone for days and there is no lead and you're telling me you're doing everything you can. It's nonsense. I need results.
Chief, we understand your concerns. Our officers are working round the clock and following every lead.
Working round the clock?
Yes.
Following every lead is not enough. Our son is out there and only God knows what he's going through. Your effort is not enough.
Sweetheart, I think these people are incompetent. They can't solve my problem. I need maybe a higher private detective. I think I could bring results from them, isn't it?
Chief.
Yes?
Please understand that we are doing our best. We are dedicated to finding your son. We have the resources and the expertise at our disposal. We will make sure we bring your son back home.
Your resources and your expertise haven't brought our son back. I think you are incompetent. And I agree with my husband on this. I think it's high time we hired a private investigator.
Madam, we understand. But trust that we'll do our best to make sure that we bring your son home. You have our word on that.
Which nonsense word? Useless word. I want results. I don't need your words.
Chief.
Yes!
We understand your frustration, sir, and we'll do all we can to bring back your son.
Now go about doing that. Go about finding my son now. Leave.
Thank you, Chief. Have a nice day.
You can have a nice day if you choose.
Sweetheart, just calm down. Everything will be fine.
I hope so, man.
How will you support Chief's idea of hiring a private detective?
I had no choice, Smith. Chief could be secretly suspecting me. So I had to play along by agreeing to him hiring a detective.
Betty, you think I don't know this? You think I don't know this? Come on! Agreeing to hire a private detective is crossing the line. Come on, this is going to take away this case from our hand.
Why are your boys still keeping him? I thought by now they should be done with him, push him out to the agreed location where we agreed to pick him up.
Chima is dead, Betty.
What?
Calm down.
That was not the plan.
I know.
The plan was to make him suffer, turn him into a vegetable, and not to kill him.
Calm down. Don't get yourself worked up. The plan's changed. We have to. We have to. Look, Chima being alive, even if he's going to come back as or return as a vegetable, like you said, yes, but don't forget our Chief loves him. And this might make Chief make some kind of silly decisions that will jeopardize every plan. And we can't take that chance.
So what are you saying?
Chima is dead. You get, Chima is dead. And it's for a good reason. I want to make sure that our children inherit every wealth from Chief. You understand? We're actually doing this for ourselves. We have nothing to lose. And again, we have to silence Chief.
Are you suggesting we kill Chief?
Betty, I need you to understand that we cannot leave any chances. We can't. You understand? So I need you to calm down. I have a plan. Look, we are going to make this look like an accident. Yes. If we make it look like an accident, I promise you, no soul, not even a single soul, is going to know about this. You get, very soon everything will be over. And we have everything to ourselves.
All right, Smith. We'll do it. Oh,
Look,
we have to be very careful. No room for mistake.
like I said, there won't be room for mistake, all right? Come on.
Okay.
Huh? Come on, come on.
I want to say thank you, sir. Thank you so much for everything. I mean, if you didn't save me that day, I don't know how my life would have been by now. Thank you so much. I'm grateful.
It's the least we could do. I mean, no one deserves to go through what you've been through.
I still can't believe the place I call home is now a nightmare to me. I see it in my dream and I'm so scared. I can't believe that my stepmother is behind my abduction. All for what? Inheritance.
Hey, you're safe here. And you can stay with us for as long as you want.
Yes. You can stay with us for as long as you want until you feel it's safe for you to go back. I've discussed with my daughter and we unanimously agreed on your staying here.
Thank you, sir.
What's wrong?
I'm really scared. My dad, he doesn't have many years to live. And he's amongst his enemies and he doesn't even see it. My stepmother and her lover, they will stop at nothing until they destroy him. I'm scared for his life.
If your mom and siblings had not died in that accident, things would have been different.
Yes. Death has a way of challenging someone's journey. If that accident had never happened, he may never have met her.
Your paths would never cross.
Unfortunately, there is nothing you can do. I mean, since your life is still in danger.
I think he should go to the police and...
And do what? With what evidence? It will just be he said, she said, and trust me, nothing will happen to the stepmother. She'll just come out 10 times stronger to finish the job.
Your dad is right. We have to be very calculative. I have to use my head and not my heart, because one wrong move could end 2 generations.
Yeah. You have to just sit back and think deeply on how to proceed from here. Because it's like the game of chess. One wrong move, and it's all over.
I promise to gather enough evidence, and once I do, justice must be served, and I'll repay all your kindness.
Chima, you don't have to repay us. We're not doing this for a reward. You're like family now. There, you look much better.
You know my question? How did you get my size exactly? Eh?
I actually took a guess and I didn't do that bad, did I?
No. These clothes are awesome. I like it. Not bad.
But, I mean, they're not new. They're bend down select.
As long as it's coming from you, I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. You know, I have a question to ask. Yeah. I've been wanting to ask the question for a while now. So, what's the nature of your dad's sickness?
Oh, he is hypertensive and also diabetic. We've been treating him for the past 3 years.
3 years?
Yeah.
Wow. That must be very tough on you guys.
It is, but I don't want to talk about it.
You know what? I promise, when all this is over, I will give him the best treatment he requires. Okay?
Thank you.
It is clear that your stepmother's lover is not working alone here. I mean, there are people in the force who are working with him on this. I refuse to believe that the investigation led them to where your body was found.
I'm sure they must have told them where they kept my body, since they think I'm dead.
So, what are we going to do now?
Well, for starters, it's a good thing that they think he's dead. That way it would take all the attention away from him.
But they're still looking for a dead body.
I know. And that is why you don't have to leave this house. Because those men will continue to search until they are sure you're no longer a threat.
How exactly is a dead body going to be a threat?
A dead body that has not been found will leave people guessing. Although they think he's dead, they are not certain he's dead yet.
So what are we now going to do if they decide to search house to house?
These things don't work like that. Stop overthinking things, okay?
I've told him before to stop overthinking it, but he's typically used to it. You should have seen the way he ran here after he saw the police.
Well, listen, Faye, you don't have anything to worry about. You've not done anything wrong, okay?
Okay, sir. But what about Mayowa? I hope she's safe.
I'm safe.
She's safe. Actually, we are all safe, all right? All we need to do now is to think of the best way to protect Chima.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm trying to look out for you. You are running your mouth.
Chima. Sorry. Dinner is ready.
Dinner?
Yes.
Thank you.
Sure.
How about your dad?
Well, he's working late, so he won't be back till tomorrow. Just go ahead and eat, so it doesn't get cold.
Okay. You want to join me?
No, I'm good.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. This is amazing.
It is?
Yes, this is good. This is really good.
Thank you.
You should be a chef.
Oh.
Yes. Yes, yes.
I could be a lot of things, but I have to take care of my old man.
Maiwa. Maiwa, you're an amazing person. You're so beautiful. Inside out.
Thank you. Just let me know when you're done eating so I can take the plates to the kitchen.
Sure. Yeah.
Okay.
Maiwa.
What are you doing?
Honestly, I don't know. It just feels right. Yeah, it's morning already.
I need to go and freshen up.
No, Maima. I wish we could just stay on each other's arms a lot more longer.
I wish this never happened. Okay, what we did was a mistake and it's never going to happen again.
Maima, never say never. I see you're already regretting your actions. But I'm very happy we shared these moments together, Maiwa.
This moment, we had sex. I had sex with someone I barely know. We barely know each other.
Maiwa, I want to know you. I want to, I really do. This beautiful soul that gave me a second chance at life. For real.
Look, don't do this, okay?
Maiwa, listen. I'm not saying this to get into your head or to get in between your legs again. No, but there's a strong connection. I feel it. I'm going to prove it to you, Maiwa.
I know when all this drama is over, you're going to go back to your real life and forget about us.
Maiwa, listen. I promise you, on my honor, I won't leave you. You mean too much to me.
Like I said, let's just pretend this never happened.
Maiwa, we cannot pretend that this never happened. I'm not ashamed of it.
Well, I am. I'm ashamed of this.
Listen, just give me a chance, Maiwa. Okay? Please.
I don't know.
I know.
Look, I'm scared, okay? I've been hurt before and I don't want to be hurt again.
Maiwa, listen. This is the last. I promise. Okay? Trust me.
If you wait! If you wait! If you...
Sweetheart, your food is ready.
I'm not hungry.
What's the meaning of this? You've not had a meal in 2 days. Do you want to have ulcer? You know your condition.
I know my condition, but I can't find my son. And the police said he is dead.
The police is on top of this matter. Officer Smith has been here for the most part of the day.
They've always been saying the same thing.
And he's been assuring us that the body will be found.
He's been assuring you, not me, because I can't find my son's body.
Babe, you need to take this easy on yourself. Fortunately for you, Chima is not your son. You have other children. And you need to be focused. You need to keep it together so they don't feel neglected.
I was grooming him to take over the business. Yes.
Chima is dead. You need to make Ifeanyi your heir, so one day he can take over the business.
I can't do that until I find the body of my son and give him a befitting burial.
So we have to be waiting for Chima, or do you want us to assume you before you make my son an heir to your dynasty?
We have to keep waiting until I find his body and bury him, and I can have a foreclosure.
Chief, you can come and have your food.
Be going, I'm coming.
Chima, what's on your mind? My dad, I have this constant feeling that he's in danger. And you know the worst part? I can't do anything about it.
I completely understand how you feel. But you can't go out there to expose yourself.
I just wish there's a way I can breach security and like get to him and talk to him directly. But he's all surrounded with those people. And they're all recruited by that evil and wicked Inspector Smith.
How could he let that happen?
His wife, of course. That Jezebel. He trusts that woman too much. You can't even have a private conversation with him without her knowing. And he's just going to run all the decisions by her first.
Well, you can't blame him. She is his wife. You're the one that now knows her for who she is. Your dad, on the other hand, is in the dark.
Oh, God. I really need to expose these people. He needs to see them as they are. Because that's the only way we can guarantee his survival.
Is there anything I can do to help?
I wish. But even though we want to go to the estate, we need an estate code. And we don't even have that. Where are we going to start from?
So what are you going to do?
I think it's time to risk it all.
No, you won't. You didn't survive one attempt on your life to walk into another.
Maiwa, I can't just sit down and fold my hands. If anything bad happens to him, I will not forgive myself.
Nothing is going to happen to him in the name of the Almighty.
Amen, I say to that.
At this point, it's not just prayers we need action. We need prayers.
You look worried. What's the problem?
Daddy, have you seen Chima this morning?
Is he not in the restaurant?
No, I've looked everywhere inside and he's not.
He didn't go for a walk.
Well, he knows better not to do so.
So what's going on? Did he leave?
I don't know, but his clothes are still inside.
If his clothes are still inside, it means he has not gone. Why would he go out of the house? He knows he needs to be indoors for his own safety.
I don't know.
Okay, just put your mind to rest, okay? I'm sure he'll be back soon.
I really hope so. And if he comes back, he has a lot of explaining to do for doing something so reckless. Thanks, Dad.
Dad, we have the chance to take the easy route on this. All we want is to make our son the heir to his dynasty. And we can only kill him when we achieve that.
Look, Chief would definitely want to see the son's lifeless body. How else are we supposed to achieve that? My boys have combed the whole area, the entire places where the body was dumped. They found nothing. The idiots that did the job are out of the country. So how long are we supposed to wait?
If we can't get a body, we get a look-alike.
What?
We have to do everything it takes to accomplish our mission.
Even if it means an innocent person dying?
He wasn't supposed to die in the first place. But you killed him because it was okay with your decision. So if someone else has to die because he looks like him, so be it.
And don't you think that Chief is going to suspect a foul play in all this?
Leave that to me. Besides, the body should be decomposing at the time. All you need to do is to get a mortuary attendant as an alibi.
Wow. You're a real evil genius.
The reward is always bigger than the risk.
Don't worry. I'll get to work immediately then.
You need to act fast.
Don't worry.
But I thought we already talked about this now.
Look, he promised to come back. It's been 2 weeks and still no single word from him.
Listen, I'm sure he's trying to get to the bottom of the whole issue. Okay, besides, you remember there was an actual attempt on his life. So these kind of problems don't just go away in a few weeks.
I know, but no text or call. I mean, what if I'm sitting here waiting for him to come back and he's lying dead somewhere?
Well, let's just hope for the best and expect the worst.
What does that even mean?
It means that anything is possible. Okay, there's a number of ways this could go. It could go well, and it could not go well.
I pray that he returns safely. That's all I pray for.
Maiwa, you need to relax. Like you're stressing too much. Seriously. I mean, we don't even know this guy. We barely even know him. And you're already losing your mind over him.
Why do I feel like you're speaking from a place of jealousy? It doesn't matter how long I've known him, and I can't help who I fall in love with. So it's either you support me as my friend and wish me well, or you take your piece and shove it up your ass.
What's wrong with you? Listen, I will not have you speak to me in this way. What's this one now?
Then you can go. I didn't invite you in the first place.
Are you being serious right now?
Mm-hmm.
It's fine. I'll leave. I'll go.
want anything else?
You need to apologize to Ife. That's not how to treat a friend.
Look, Daddy, he went overboard,
No,
okay?
you went overboard. There's nothing as bad as someone deceiving himself or herself, as the case is here.
He wasn't supposed to say those things he said to me.
There is nothing wrong in what he said. I mean, you don't blame him for being jealous. You hurt his ego for falling in love with someone you just met.
You know as well.
I'm your father. And I know that you fell in love with Chima. I don't have a problem with that. But you must understand that he has to do what he deems necessary to save his father.
But what if he gets hurt or killed trying to save his father?
You would have done the same thing if you found yourself in his position. What kind of a son would he be? To just sit back, fold his arms while his father is in danger? Let's just hope he's all right wherever he is.
So it's true.
Yes. Yes, it's true. My dad is gone.
I thought he was doing fine.
He was. Until he stopped taking his medication. And things went from bad to worse with a blink of an eye.
You were supposed to make sure he was taking his drugs, Mayo.
He stopped taking his medication because we stopped buying it. We couldn't afford it anymore.
What do you mean you couldn't afford it?
We spent everything we had on food and fuel the entire time Chima was here.
So what you're telling me is that your father sacrificed his well-being for the comfort of a stranger, and you let him.
I tried. He wouldn't listen to me.
Did you?
Excuse you.
This is Chima we're talking about. A guy you would do almost anything for.
Effie. Not now.
What do you expect me to say? Ever since this guy came into our lives...
Effie, please!
These are great choices, Mom. They're also beautiful. Thank you. Yes. People like us have class, my dear. Unlike you, you will never get to understand it, despite working in a place like this.
I might be right, man.
You're right. See, you're like one of those guys, those guys that work in the car lot. They get to see these expensive, luxurious cars, but never get to own one. Rich men don't go around just selling cars.
That will be 160,000 naira.
Okay.
You doing cash, card, or transfer?
Rich men don't go around carrying cash. Don't you know that?
So, transfer then. Okay. This is the account number. And then when you finish making the transfer, send it to this number on WhatsApp. The receipt.
Hold it. I have you guys as my beneficiary. Wait, are you new here? Oh. See, the network here is really, really poor. Hello? Hello, miss, I'm talking to you. Didn't you hear me?
I heard you.
Really?
Yes. And it's a very simple thing now. If you don't have cash to buy the dresses and your transfer is not going, then you can simply forget about buying them. Maybe come back another time when your transfer will go. But don't worry, I'll help you hand the dresses back.
Are you trying to embarrass me right now? Do you know? Hello? Yes, babe, I'm done, but the network is just shitty. And there's this cashier right here trying to piss me off. Oh, you're almost here? Thank God.
So, are you going to make payments now or should I return the dresses?
Return them and I'll say that today is your last day here. Yes.
Are you threatening me?
No. I'm just stating a fact.
I can see you have a serious attitude problem. But don't worry, today you learn your lesson.
Hello.
Hey, babe.
Babe.
You okay?
I'm fine. Look at what this girl is doing. She's trying to return my clothes.
Have you paid already? Let me pay, don't worry. Alright, relax. Can I have your account details, please?
Please, this is the account.
Can you imagine the attitude?
When you're not making the payments, please send it to the WhatsApp number there.
Are you Maiwa?
No,
Maiwa.
Excuse me.
Maiwa, wait. Are you Maiwa?
My name is Ifunanya, not Mayawa, sir.
I would have sworn you someone else right now. Are you sure?
I don't know.
Of course, babe. My fiancé will not stoop so low to knowing someone in her class.
Babe, relax. I'll just make the payment now.
No, I don't need to. Do you know what she did? See, I need to meet the manager. Because I've been patronizing you guys for the longest time and she has got to try to return my clothes. Can you imagine that?
Right. Okay, relax. I've sent it. Relax.
She's so rude. Very, very rude. Who does that?
Maiwa.
I have told you already, my name is not Mayowa.
But you responded to the name inside.
Look, I responded to the sound, not the name, okay?
Stop playing this game, Maiwa.
Which
Maiwa, I
stupid
heard
game?
about your dad.
Get my father's name out of your mouth.
Maiwa. Still see me here?
Yes. I was waiting for you to come take me home.
You should have ordered an Uber for that.
You know how I feel about it. Wait, what happened?
What?
Did you get into a fight?
Nope, it's nothing, don't worry.
You know what? I'm going to call my dad to get his boys and get those bastards that did this to you arrested.
Just stop being dramatic. I said I'm fine. It's okay.
Are you sure?
I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm fine.
What happened? Did you get into a car accident?
No.
What happened to the car?
Nothing.
How do I get home?
You should really know how to drive, I swear.
Ow, small now.
What's that one? So when you were forming Mohammed Ali, you don't know that to pain you. Keep your hand, Joe.
At least he's in more pain than I am. Ow.
I know, but at least he's getting better healthcare than this.
Can you imagine? That ingrate is getting married.
Maiwa, it's been 2 years. You should move on.
Who says I haven't moved on? I've moved on. I haven't thought about him for a long time until he showed up at the store to bail out that lousy, annoying brat.
Maiwa, so all these accolades for that small girl. You need to relax. Seriously.
Honestly, if not for self-control, I'd have broken her own jaw too.
Yeah, nah, because you are now a fighter. That's how you would have lost that job. Or worse, gotten arrested.
Arrested for what?
Assault! Seriously, Maiwa, you need to calm down. And stop letting your emotions get the best of you. It's been 2 years. He has moved on, and I strongly suggest he should move on.
Then he should stop stalking me. Can you imagine he sat in his car and waited to see me for 2 hours? What am I supposed to do with that piece of information?
I think he still likes you.
I don't care. He should take that likeness and give it to his fiancée who he's about to marry.
I cannot tell whether it's the hand that's paining you or the engagement.
It's the hand. Small.
I beg Guja, I'm not doing it again.
Oh yeah, sorry. Cheap healthcare. Continue.
Wow. You try to help people and be... Wow. Okay. How far? So? So are you going to give him the audience he's asking for?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? Like, I can't even believe you're considering this. Maiwa, your father would have still been alive if not for this idiot. So there's a saying, fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. So I guess it's left for you to decide whether you are going to be the fool this time around.
I want to be angry at him. Okay, I want to, but a part of me still loves him.
Love? You call what you feel for this guy love?
What else would you call it? Why do I still feel this way about him after 2 years? Tell me why.
Boy, he's already married.
Engaged, not married.
Right. Listen, Maiwa. What is going to happen if you give him another chance would be worse. Scratch that. 10 times worse than what happened the last time.
Ify, I don't know, okay?
I can't even believe that you're even considering this. It's beyond me. My God. And you are calling it love. What kind of stupid love is that one?
Baby, I just found the perfect dress for our wedding. It's so perfect. Didn't you just say what I said?
So what if I did?
I don't understand. I'm talking about our wedding.
Yeah, it's a wedding dress. It's your thing. Do your thing.
Is this coming from a place of you wanting me to handle this whole thing, or is there something I should know?
Just want you to make your own decisions. You're a grown-ass lady. I don't have to be influencing you to do what you need to do. Just do your thing.
You just sound like you don't care. You know what, lately you've been acting so weird. And may God help you if my suspicions are right. Because you don't want to see the crazy part of me.
So because I want you to make your own decisions, it means I don't care about you anymore.
Yes. That's what it looks like. You don't.
If it's about the whole wedding dress thing, it's fine, but I won't have you threaten me in my own house.
Your own house? Which house? The house my father helped you get back. With the influence of my father, that's the reason why you're here. You were so scared to return here.
When you run your mouth, remember that there was a catch to it. I didn't just come back.
So I was actually thinking, Inspector Hassan, what are you doing in my house?
Good morning, Chief. We're actually here for your wife, sir.
You're here for my wife. How?
I was going to ask the same question.
Madam, you are under arrest for kidnap, torture, attempted murder, and a plot to kill Chief Johnson.
Inspector Hassan, what nonsense are you talking about?
Are you mad?
All right, madam, be careful what you say, as what you say or do will be used against you in the competent court of law.
What nonsense are you saying?
I'm sure he must be under the influence of hard drugs.
No, he's not under the influence of any drug.
Son,
Dad,
they told me you're dead.
These people killed an innocent boy who looked exactly like me, make you believe that I'm dead. But I'm very much alive, Dad.
Son, they told me you're dead!
It's me, Dad.
Son,
Dad.
I can't believe your stepmother could be capable of murder.
She's capable of much more evil than you can imagine, Dad.
You can't be serious. What are you talking about?
Ifeanyi and Isioma are not your kids.
Oh, no, but you and I know they're mine.
On the contrary, sir,
Yes?
Ifeanyi and Isioma are not your kids. They are children of Inspector Smith. He's been in a serious romantic affair with your wife for a very long time.
Where the hell is Smith?
He's been arrested and is undergoing interrogation.
I can't... Betty! Come here, Betty! Come here! Betty, tell me this is not true.
She will not dare. She can't say a word, Dad.
He's right, sir. We have their secret conversations, which will be tendered in the court as an evidence. Officer, Koffer.
Betty, I picked this slime from a rat-infested sewer. and turned her into what she looks like now. Take this nonsense away from here. Son.
Madam, let's go.
I love you!
You might as well love your grandmother. Ah. So, son.
Dad.
How are you feeling now for that horrible experience?
You know, but I'm trying to move forward with my life, you know. Let everything go, move past it. I'm really trying, but I can't do it without Maiwa and her dad. Maiwa gave me a second chance at life. I owe everything to her dad.
Yes, we owe everything to the family, so I'd like to meet the family.
Maiwa is a beautiful soul. She's beautiful inside out. She's good.
The way you talk about her, there must be something other than just a beautiful soul.
Dad, I love Maiwa. And I want to spend the rest of my life with her, Dad.
What about Tonya?
Dad, I prefer Maiwa to Tonya. Anytime, any day.
But you can't have both
Dad,
Tonya and Maiwa?
I know. I just want Maiwa. And that's all I want, Dad.
Well, invite them over first and we can start from there. All right?
I will.
Okay, son.
I will.
Oh, glad to have you back. What's up with a terrorizing experience?
Maiwa.
Chima.
Ife. Alpha, bro. Alpha.
What are you doing here?
I came to see Maiwa.
Chima, you are a very wicked person. You are very wicked. So you have the guts to show your face here after all this time.
If you listen, I couldn't just sit back and let my dad die.
Oh. So you could sit back and watch Maiwa's father die?
What did you say, Ife? What did you say?
Are you deaf? Maiwa's father died 3 days after you left.
Ife, how? How?
Keep asking stupid questions. Maiwa's father died because there was no money to take care of him. All the money was spent taking care of you, making sure that you were comfortable. And then you left.
Ife, where's Maiwa?
I don't know. I have no idea. She left without saying goodbye. I lost my best friend. And the man I called father. I can't even look at you right now.
Maiwa.
So you see, I looked for you immediately. I knew it was safe to do so. And I made you a promise that I was going to come back. And I did.
You also made a promise to another woman that you're going to spend the rest of your life with her.
I'm not married to Tonya.
But you're engaged to her.
I'm just keeping my part of the bargain I made with her father.
Look, I understand. Okay, but this is beyond us now.
Listen, there's nothing beyond love. I just want to know if you want this as much as I do. If you tell me that, then nothing is stopping us.
Look, Chima, I want this. Okay, it's just, I hate drama, and trust me, that girl I saw the other day at the boutique, she's full of it.
The Maiwa I remember is a strong-willed woman. The woman who saved me 2 years ago. I'm not sure you stopped being that woman.
You never know.
So you let me marry someone I don't love?
You were planning on marrying her?
Yes, that was before I reconnected with you, Maiwa. I love you, Mayua, and I want to spend the rest of my life with you. That's what I want.
You did what?
We kissed.
You kissed?
Oh
God.
Stop shouting now.
Why
Someone
you
will hear
kissed him now? People should hear. People should know. You sound very stupid. I want people to come and tell you how stupid you sound.
Look, listen very carefully. Despite everything that has happened, we're still in love. Okay? And he said he was trying to find me, and when he saw you and you said we're not talking anymore, he didn't know what to do.
Yes. Yes, my wife, because I was doing it to cover your ass. I was doing it for your sake.
My sake?
Yes.
Don't you think I should be the judge of that? You don't get to make those type of decisions, Uche.
Oh, so it's now my fault now. It's my fault for looking out for you.
I'm just stating the obvious.
See, from now on, I don't want to hear any of your gist again. Keep your romance with that wicked boy out of my ears. Because every time I give you an idea, every time I give you my opinion, you say I'm intruding into your private life. Keep it away from me. I don't want to hear again.
Stop shouting and being dramatic. I'm just saying there are boundaries. And you of all people, you should know that.
I've heard. It's enough. Your Majesty. Guano, where's the juice?
What are you going to buy? Say where's the juice?
Give me juice now. You said when I come, you give me juice.
Go and look for shoe and furniture.
I need you to come out straight and explain to me what you meant by that back there.
I was very clear the first time, Tonya. I know you like me repeating myself, so I will do it on your honor. You are putting a pause on the wedding preparations. Is that clear enough for you, Tonya?
No. Chima, you're going nowhere.
Tonya, listen.
See, you can't leave me here, okay?
Listen, Tonya. I have a very important business meeting in an hour. I need to leave now. Give me the key. Give me the key!
Did I sound like I was blabbing when I said you are not going anywhere until you come back to your senses, Chima?
Are you calling me mad?
No.
Do I look like a crazy person to you?
Not exactly. You look like someone who needs psychological evaluation. Because I need you to explain to me why you would use my dad's influence and then use and dump me like I'm some tissue paper.
Listen, Tonya.
Are you okay?
That's not the point. That is far from the point, Tonya.
So what's the point, Chima? What's the point?
We'll talk about it when I get back, okay?
Was I stuttering when I said you're not going anywhere? Baby, please come back to your senses. We need to come back together and then plan our wedding and then get through with this whole thing.
You want me to tell you the honest, brutal truth?
What
Do you want to
truth?
hear the truth?
So cold. Tima, please don't go! Oh my God. She's gonna leave me.
But that's not true.
Of course it's not true. That's what I could come up with.
So you had to lie to her that your dad has a medical emergency in the States to cancel the wedding. Do you even think she believed you?
I guess. That's why I'm here.
I think you should have told her the truth.
Hey, I will. Alright? I will eventually, but not just now. I don't want her father to summon me yet.
So when are you going to tell her? Because I don't like this.
I'll tell her once I put you in a better place.
What does that mean?
Maiwa, I know you don't want to be here. I remember you shared dreams of you owning your own shoe brand. And I remember I promised to make that dream come true. And I will. I guess it's time to start working on that. We should channel our strengths and focus on it and avoid every distraction around us.
Are you really going to do that?
Of course I will, Maiwa. I've already set up a business meeting with the business manager for Tuesday next week.
I don't know what to say. Thank you.
No, thank you, Maiwa. Thank you for giving me a second chance at life.
When are you going to stop talking about that?
I'm not planning to. It means the world to me. You mean the world to me.
You know what? There's a place we need to be today. So I'll be back at the end of work to get you.
Tonight?
Yes, tonight.
Where is that? I'm not dressed to go
Hey,
out.
don't worry. I got that all sorted out. Don't worry, I'll be back. Okay? You wait for me. I swear I'm not going to forget this night in a hurry.
I doubt I would ever forget it. I've never worn this much makeup before.
You know what? You look beautiful with or without makeup.
Then why did you allow me wear it?
I'm glad you did. For convincing you to wear this makeup. So I can.
My face just feels heavy, you know, it doesn't feel like me.
Don't worry, you'll get used to it.
I don't think I'm ever doing this again, no.
Oh, you will at least one more time.
When?
When we become man and wife. Hey. Did I say something wrong?
You're engaged to someone else.
I don't love her.
Well, she doesn't know that. Look, I might not like whatever her name is, but I'm a woman. I would never want anyone to deceive me or disrespect me in this manner.
Look, I'm not disrespecting her. I'm just trying to find my own happiness.
Look, I think she deserves to know the truth. Okay?
Well, we've talked about this.
I know, but in everything we're doing, we have to remember to be just and fair and human. This is the drama I was talking about. You know what? Good night. I just...
Maiwa.
Where are you running to? You boyfriend snatcher.
I guess he didn't tell you about us. I am not a boyfriend snatcher. Okay, go and ask Chima about us.
Oh, really? Maybe you want to come closer so I could hear you better.
I understand how you feel, but this is not the way to handle it.
I can't believe this. So a classless girl like you is now advising me on how to act. You know I promised you that you're going to leave this place, and I'm here to fulfill it. Just wait and see. You can't see my hand, right? Hello, Rachel.
Tonya! What was that about? Huh? What was that nonsense about?
You should be ashamed of yourself, Shima.
Ashamed of what?
Ashamed of yourself for chatting on me with that useless cashier. What do you even take me for?
Shut up! Use your head, you understand what's going on, Tonya!
I should understand what's going on. Now I see why you've been acting so different and weird with the whole story about your dad's health. What do you even take me for?
Look, I lied. Okay? I lied. I apologized. I'm sorry, but I'm in love with Mayowa. I love Mayowa. Just so you know, I've known Mayowa for a while. I mean, I'm alive because of Mayowa. She gave me a second chance at life. Do you understand? Me meeting Mayowa at the boutique was not the first time. It was a reconnection after 2 years.
So you used me and my father to get what you wanted or what you lost?
That was not supposed to happen. Alright? Your dad was supposed to do his job. He swore he was going to do his job. Once he gave me an offer, I could not resist because he saw how desperate I was. He
was only desperate because he saw how you came into my life and changed everything. How you came into my life and made me feel like you were the Prince Sammy that just came to
Right
save
there,
you.
right there. You never asked how I felt about it or if I was seeing anyone. No one asked.
You never did. You never said anything, Chima.
I didn't say it with my mouth, but I felt unhappy doing your dad's job. Get to see it, get to feel it.
You never said anything. You never said anything, please. Chima.
You guys use me, all right? I was the one used here.
Oh, I see. We used you. Chima, you're not going to get away with this. I promise you, you will not get away with this.
So, welcome to my house, baby.
This is not a house. This is a home.
I'm glad you like it. Do you like it?
I do, it's beautiful.
It's just where we just hang around, you know.
Are you being modest?
Modest.
You know what my house was like.
Alright, let me show you around, okay?
Where?
Wakey, wakey. Hey. Wake up, sleepyhead.
Good morning, babe.
Morning, sweetheart. How are you?
Fine. Oh, what's going on? Why are you waking me up?
Alright, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Good. Do not open them. Open up. Good.
Oh my gosh. Breakfast in bed?
Yes.
Chima, it's my first time.
And I promise it won't be your last. Okay? You mean the world to me. Alright? And I'm going to treat you like the queen you are. Okay? So,
I feel so lucky to have you. I couldn't have asked for more.
I feel the same way too. You know, you bring so much happiness, so much joy into my life. I want to make every moment special that we spend together. Starting with this moment right here.
Well, you certainly know the way to my heart.
That's the place I want to be in.
So, what did you cook?
What did I cook? How about you find out?
It's never enough. I hope you remember first time we kissed. Our hearts were beating just fast together. Hold me close.
It's your breakfast. Give me a second, let me pack the
Hey,
breakfast.
hold up. How many plans on getting this fat? No, I'm not a breakfast guy.
Well, you should be. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day.
Really, I thought it was dinner.
No, that is what will get you fat.
You know I can barely sleep if I don't eat at night.
I noticed.
Yeah.
But don't worry, I'm going to change that.
We'll see. I just forget your meeting today. Alright, with the BDM. It's by 11.
And I wouldn't miss it for anything.
Okay. I guess Road to come pick you up by 10.
Alright, just wait by the diner. I'll bring your breakfast. And don't go, just wait, okay?
Alright.
Chima, did you forget something? What are you doing here? Jesus! What is the meaning of this? Is this?
Yes, it is what you think it is. This is urine, but next time you will be getting acid and not urine.
What are you doing this for?
Oh, It is a very, very wet warning for you to stay away from my fiancé. See, I don't know if you're going to wish for next time. But next time,
Hello, sir. Yes, I might be pressing charges against your daughter. Because what she did was irresponsible. I mean, that's a legit threat to life. Yes, she is receiving treatment. I would find time and see you. Yeah.
Hello? Hello, madam. This is the third time you're calling me. What's the problem now? What is it? What do you want? Okay. Oh yeah now. Oh yeah, fine. Let's meet. Where do you want us to meet? Yeah, I know the place. Okay, that's fine. We're going to see then. Alright. Thank you. So I finally put a face to the voice that keeps wanting to see me. What do you want?
I'm going to go straight to the point. I want my man back. And you seem like the only person that could help me do this.
So what am I supposed to do?
I have a plan.
Okay, what's your plan?
I don't know. Let's set her up with someone. Let's act like she's cheating on him with somebody.
First of all, why would I want to do something like that? Listen, Mayowa and I have been friends since we were kids. Why would I want to betray my best friend for a stranger I don't even know?
Oh, for crying out loud, you've been in love with this girl for ages. She's not even reciprocating it. She keeps choosing other men over you. See, I did my background check before I came here, and I know you love this girl so much. It's a win-win for the both of us.
So what's your plan?
I'll give you 3 million naira to get the job done.
3 million?
Yes.
That's what you're offering me to betray my best friend? 7 million seems fair.
I'm going to give you 5 million and then we're going to get done with this deal. Okay?
Fine. Deal.
Alright. You receive your payment once you're done with the deal.
No advance?
No. You get the full payment once you're done with the job. Okay? Please leave my car. Yes!
Welcome. Oh my gosh, I'm glad you finally decided to visit.
Why this place is so fine.
That is exactly what I said the first time I came here. You know, Chima would be surprised you finally decided to visit us. But he's not in town.
Actually, that's why I decided to visit, because I knew you know he's not going to see. Look at this chandelier.
How did you know he's out of town?
Your WhatsApp status now, when you be posting things up and that, you think we'll not know every single detail about your private life.
It's true, Shao. You know what? Make yourself comfortable. I am preparing your favorite dish.
Did you? The one I like.
Yes, I'm making yam and egg sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, let me get my phone. I need to call Chima and tell him you are here. Give him all the updates.
Is that one necessary?
You don't want me to call him?
There's no point now since I'm going to be here the entire weekend, so...
Is it a lie?
What's this one saying? So why do you think I brought this kind of heavy bag?
Yes! I am finally getting the company I needed. Do you know I've been sitting and thinking, what am I going to do in this big house all by myself? To watch TV, don't tire me. To cook, don't tire me. What am I going to do by myself? But you don't know.
So should I be expecting my payment for keeping you company? Because I could really get you to this mansion.
I should pay you. I'm coming to sleep in my house and I will feed you. That's what I should pay you.
My wife, it's now your house. Okay. Okay, I love it.
Chief, let me pass.
Energy.
I understand you at the house this weekend. So what do you have for me?
Nothing.
What do you mean by nothing?
Nothing now. Because you keep calling and calling and calling. See, the way you are calling me, you're going to destroy this plan before you even get a chance to execute it too. Ha.
I don't understand. You had everything you needed to execute this plan. So what is the problem?
I did not have Chima. I didn't get a chance to see him.
Oh.
And the way this plan is set up is he needs to see me in bed with his precious Mayowa. I need him to feel the pain I feel every time I see the both of them together.
Wow.
I don't know.
This is going to be such a beautiful sight to behold.
It's a masterpiece I put together all by myself.
Well, I heard he's back in town.
Yeah, he is actually. And I plan to even go and visit them sometime this week.
Oh. Okay. Just keep me updated. On a phone call away.
Alright. Okay, I guess I'll see you around.
Yes.
So how's the shoe factory coming?
Very well. Fine, fine. We're going to view a new site next week.
Wow.
And you should come.
No thanks. Besides, I don't think Chima would want me there.
That's not true. He likes you and he sees you as my brother.
Except I'm not your brother.
Ify, you are my brother. It doesn't matter if we come from different families, okay?
Well, I guess that's a lie you keep telling yourself.
So, what about your girlfriend? When am I meeting her?
What's up with the food?
You're changing the subject.
Well, you started it.
Fine. I'm going to check if it's ready.
So the food is not ready till now? Ha. Please do.
Cheers. What happened?
To be honest, I've not really been following it. This movie is so boring. Why do you keep picking very boring movies?
I beg.
Where's the food?
Oh, it's not ready. Maybe like in another 20 minutes.
So I should start to that.
I beg, if I'm hungry.
Are you okay? Because you look weird. Are you sure you're fine? Do you want more juice? Mayo. Mayo. Yeah, hello? Yeah, okay, yeah, everything is set. I told you now I'm good at what I do. Okay. Alright, just make sure you have my money ready. I don't want any excuses. Alright. Okay, see you.
What's going on here? These are male clothing.
I think so.
Maiwa. Maiwa! What in the name of God is happening here?
What is going on?
You're asking me that question. You're asking me that nonsense question, yeah?
Ife, what's the meaning of this?
Why are you acting like it's our first time? Shebi, I told you we were going to get caught eventually. You say you did not care.
Have you lost your mind, Ife?
You two have been deceiving me.
No, it's not what you think, okay?
You think that you could still deny this? It just caught you.
I swear on my father's grave. I don't know what he's talking about or what is going on.
So what did you just witness? You are such a pathetic liar. And to take that Chima here left me for such a slut like you. I mean, it's okay.
Get out.
Get out.
Get out!
Out. And you too.
It's okay.
Listen, you know what? I'm on my way out now. By the time I get back, I don't want to see you here. This is the calmest I can be.
Yes.
Pack your things and leave. What else are you doing here?
Chima, please.
I just made myself clear. What else are you doing here?
Please, if you would just give me a chance, I don't even know how to.
Why are you begging him? How do you expect him to forgive you when he found you and somebody you claimed was just a friend in bed? How can you be so shameless?
Chima, I don't know how that happened.
Babe, don't tell me you're going to buy this story. I mean, you can't do this.
Who is that?
So you have the guts to come back here? Really?
Maya, well, you stand up now. What's all this acting? You think they'll give you AMVC?
You know what? I think you should be an actor.
I am considering that.
I mean, you
as
should.
the next line of work.
What's going on here?
Acting the script you wanted, of course.
So, what are you talking about?
I'll tell you what I'm talking about.
I don't know. Let's set her up with someone. Let's act like she's cheating on him with somebody.
Exactly. That's the reaction I was looking for. You think everything is about money? Or did you really think I was going to betray my best friend for you?
You're a law graduate, right? You know the magnitude of the offense you just committed.
And I even have the pill you gave me. Yeah, I didn't use it because letting somebody's drink is a punishable offense.
Everything here was actually filmed and recorded for evidence, just in case we want to press charges. But we're not doing that, yeah? No.
Thank you.
No, not so fast. Not so fast. It's going to be kept as evidence, just in case later in the future you want to try anything stupid.
No, nothing like that. I promise you. I'm even going to call my dad right now and tell him that I broke up with you. So he wouldn't even bother you.
Good. Yeah.
Perfect
do
story.
that.
Sure.
Do that. You know what? Get out.
Now.
Thank you.
Bounce!
What about my balance? She's owing me 5 million.
Let the money go.
You know what? Thank you so much, Ife. You're a real man. You're a real G.
It's fine, man. Even though I really needed the money though, but
don't worry.
My friendship means so much more.
And you're right.
Thank you.
Your
You know,
kindness.
some people would have sold their soul for a bowl of porridge.
Right?
Except this isn't porridge. This is 5 million.
I've waited a long time to do this.
To do what?
Thank you. Thank you so much, Maiwa. Thank you for everything. At this point, I want to be by your side, Maiwa. In your good days, in your bad days, in your ups and downs. I want to be by your side when you're happy, when you're sad. I want to be right there. I want you to be the mother of my children. Mahima, will you marry me?
Yes. Yes, I will marry you today, tomorrow, and every single day of the week.
When we stay together, feel the lovely weather. Say sweet words to one another. Hold you closer and never let you go. No matter what they say, I want you. No matter how they feel, I need you. I'll do every little thing just to be with you. And the most of all, I love you, babe.
There you are.
Good morning, babe.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good.
What are you doing?
I'm about to make breakfast. What else?
I forgot to tell you. We'll spend the day at the resort.
Aren't you going to work?
On appointment cancelled.
Why? What are we celebrating at the resort?
Our engagement, of course. He said yes to this clown.
Because I love this clown.
And I love you too.
Mm-hmm.
One more thing.
Mm-hmm.
If he's coming. If he's coming, he's mystery woman.
Oh wow. We finally get to meet her. If she's real.
Alright, so no breakfast, alright? Let's go get ready. I'm gonna spoil you silly today.
Likewise.
I need to go get dressed.
For your sweet loving, 1,000 kisses is never enough. I hope you remember first time we kissed. Our hearts were beating just fast together. Hold me close, closer. Do you know when a man loves a woman? Girl, you know I love you so. I love how you love me, love me, love me, love me. Just kiss me and never let me go. Just hold me close to you. I will never, never, ever love another. Don't let me go. Oh no, I will never, ever, ever love another. So baby, just love me, love me, love me, love me. Hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me. Just kiss me, and kiss me, and never let me go. Love me in the morning, love me at night. Love don't mean nothing when you're not around. Love me every second, time of your life. Can't live without you when you're